In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple accounts on the same computer in OneDrive. If you've got a work account, a personal account, or you just need to switch to a second Microsoft account on the same PC, this guide will walk you through it step by step. This is a simple process, but there is one very important thing to know first. You can't add a second OneDrive account to the same computer until you unlink the current one. So I'll show you exactly how to do that. Then, how to sign back in with the other account and finish the setup. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like, and make sure you subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, look down at the taskbar and find the OneDrive cloud icon. This is usually near the bottom right of your screen. Click that icon to open the OneDrive panel. Once the panel appears, click the gear icon, then choose Settings. This opens the OneDrive settings window where you can manage your account and sync preferences. From here, click the Account tab. In the Account section, you'll see the Microsoft account that's currently linked to this PC. To add a different account, you need to remove the current connection first, so click Unlink this PC. OneDrive will warn you that this will stop syncing with the current account on this computer, and that's expected. Since we're switching accounts, click the confirmation button to continue. After that, the current OneDrive account is disconnected from the computer. Now open the Start menu and search for OneDrive. Select the OneDrive app to launch it again. This starts the sign-in process fresh. On the sign-in screen, enter the details for your second Microsoft account. That could be a different personal account, a work account, or another Microsoft login that you want to use on this computer. After entering the email and password, follow the prompts OneDrive shows you on screen. You may be asked to confirm a few setup options, and this is where you choose the destination folder for syncing. Make sure you pick the location that works best for your files, then continue through the setup steps. Once the setup is complete, OneDrive will begin syncing the new account on your computer. You should now see your files start to appear, and the new account will be active on this PC. If you need to switch accounts again later, just repeat the same process by unlinking and signing in with the account you want to use. One thing to keep in mind is that OneDrive on a single Windows profile typically works with one account at a time, so if you need separate accounts available side by side, you may need to use a different Windows user profile or another workaround depending on your setup. But for most users who just want to replace one account with another on the same computer, this method works perfectly. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.